What's up, everybody? Alright, I'm finna get started on these make some trellises this morning. See all my green beans look like a bush, so I'm finna start making me some trellises with these sticks from last year, plus two with the, see how the pear got some bell peppers coming, y'all. See how it's leaning like that? You gonna use some that stick like that. Hold on. See how it's leaning? You gonna stand them all up like that. That stick will give them some support. So, put my peppers down there too. You'll see though. Let me go and get started and I'll bring you back. Alright, everybody. See, I started trellising and straightening out the peppers, the bell peppers, and them oh, we got some on there. Look at that. Scotch bonnets. Okay, but anyway, so let me show you. See my green bean patch? It don't look like it, but let me show you what I'm talking about. See that, how long that vine is right there? Let me show you another one up in here. There you go, see it? Right. See how long that is already, but down in there it just look like a bush, you know, a patch. So that's why I'm doing this trellis. So you can start wrapping it up, see? So it'll start going up the trellis and keep it up off the ground. And it'll be easy to pick the beans because they'll be up. All right, so let me put another tier up there and then I'll show you what it look like. All right, Grumpy Nation, can y'all see that? So let me show you why I had to do that. Look how long some of these vines done already got. See them starting from here. And see how I got it wrapped? They already started to get real long. See that one right? Wait, hold on. See the one I'm holding? Look, it's all the way to the top of the stick. But it just looked like it was right there. That's what I mean, you know, just a little patch. But see how long the vines done got already? So that's why I'm making these trellises. And you can go up higher as you need to. See what I'm saying? That sucker long there, boy. That one right there. But there it is. And you can expand it out how you want to. See, Grumpy Nation. Where you get your beans and your peas. Oh. Your beans and your peas up off the ground. Right here too, some more peas. Give them something to climb up on. Alright, that's how you control, how you can grow space saving. See what I'm saying? That's how you get more stuff in here. Use your space. Whatever climb, let it climb up instead of out. You see what I'm saying? So, just a couple of tips, you know. We all learning. All right. Catch y'all on the next one.